Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to a cyborg. A cyborg, a portmanteau of cybernetic and organism, is a being with both organic and biomechatronic body parts. Cyborg is not the same thing as bionics, biorobotics, or androids. It applies to an organism that has restored function or especially enhanced abilities due to the integration of some artificial component or technology that relies on some sort of feedback, for example, prostheses, artificial organs, implants, or in some cases, wearable technology. Cyborg technologies may enable or support collective intelligence. A related, possibly broader term is the augmented human. While cyborgs are commonly thought of as mammals, including humans, they might also conceivably be any kind of organism. According to some definitions of the term, the physical attachments that humans have with even the most basic technologies have already made them cyborgs. In a typical example, a human with an artificial cardiac pacemaker or implantable cardiovertebral defibrillator would be considered a cyborg, since these devices measure voltage potentials in the body, perform signal processing, and can deliver electrical stimuli using the synthetic feedback mechanism to keep that person alive. Implants, especially cochlear implants that combine mechanical modification with any kind of feedback response, are also cyborg enhancements. Some theorists cite such modifications are contact lenses, hearing aids, smartphones, or intraocular lenses as examples of fitting humans with technology to enhance their biological capabilities. Also, the emerging mood of implanting microchips inside the body, mainly the hands, to make financial operations like a contactless payment or basic tasks like opening a door can be considered another example. As cyborgs currently are on the rise, some theorists argue there is a need to develop new definitions of aging. For instance, a biotechnosocial definition of aging has been suggested. The term is also used to address human technology mixtures in the abstract. This includes not only commonly used pieces of technology such as phones, computers, the internet, and so on, but also artifacts that may not popularly be considered technology. For example, pen and paper and speech and language. When augmented, these technologies and connected in communication with people in other times and places, a person becomes capable of much more than they were before. An example is a computer which gains power by using internet protocols to connect with other computers. Another example is a social media bot, either a bot-assisted human or a human-assisted bot used to target social media with likes and shares. Cybernetic technologies include highway pipes, electrical lighting, buildings, electrical plants, libraries, and other infrastructure that people hardly notice, but which are critical parts of the cybernetics that humans work with. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was the host, Serikbayev Syrym. Bye.